Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining us today. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a hot one because, you know, Texas, it's hot. It's warm. Ouch. Very hot. But I'm inside. There's a fan going, and that's always good. Hello, dog. Hello, dog. Come here. How are you? This is dog. Look at the camera. Camera, right there. See the camera. Look at the. Stop looking at the. Look at the camera. The camera. There you. Oh, you can't look at the camera because your eyes are weird. You have weird eyes. Get out of here. And that concludes our test.